Hello, in front of me I've got ALCATEL 1SE Lite. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and now enter security. Go to screen lock. And as you can see right here, we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone. Let's start with 2 non-security screen locks, which is non and swipe. And now let's select password. Enter at least 4 characters to create password. Use it to unlock the phone. And next let's select PIN number. To create PIN, enter at least 4 digits. In the end, let's select pattern. And to create it, connect at least 4 dots. Once it's done, let's go to biometrics. First, let's select Fingerprint. And now scan your fingerprint on the touch sensor located on the back of the phone. Tap the sensor multiple times and each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap done and now use it to unlock the phone. In the end, let's go to face unlock. Tap next and now scan your face via front camera. And now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.